Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Figma OAuth for protected prototype UI. Start by accessing the Figma website. Log in to your Figma account. Navigate to the API settings within your dashboard. Create a new OAuth application. Fill in the required fields with your application details. Specify the redirect URI where users will be sent after authentication. Take note of your client ID and client secret. Ensure your application permissions are set to access prototype content. Implement the OAuth flow in your application. Direct users to the Figma authorization URL. Include your client ID in the URL as a query parameter. Set the response type to code in the authorization URL. After users grant permission, they will be redirected to your specified URI. Capture the authorization code from the URL parameters. Exchange the authorization code for an access token. Make a request to the Figma token endpoint. Include your client ID, client secret, and the authorization code in this request. Upon a successful request, you will receive an access token. Use the access token to authenticate further requests to the Figma API. Access the protected prototype UI using the token. Make API calls to retrieve the protected design resources. Ensure your application handles token expiration appropriately. Implement refresh token logic if needed for continuous access. Test the entire authentication flow to ensure reliability. Debug any issues that arise during the testing phase. Provide clear error messages for users based on different failure scenarios. Document the integration steps for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.